This is episode number 98 of CRO Insights. This is where I take a client who recently hired us to redesign their page or their store, and I show you exactly what we did in order to increase conversion rates. We've been doing this for 12 years. I'm Oliver Kenyon. I'm CEO and co-founder of ConversionWise, but let's jump straight into the transformation. So this one is less about what we did and more about what the client didn't do before. If you look at their before design as a whole on their homepage, it doesn't tick the all-important conversion principle boxes that we always talk about. It doesn't tick anything to do with trust and credibility. There's no social proof. There's no real value perception. We don't really know the value we're getting out of this store when we shop here. And there's no real benefit or outcome for us to purchase from this store. Now, if you compare that to the complete after design, you can see we've added all these things in, and it starts with redesigning that navigation and then showcasing that trust policy bar to make sure that we are trusted as a brand. When people are clicking a cold ad, they want to come onto your site, and the first thing they need to see above the fold is something that just makes them trust you. Mention things like your satisfaction guarantee, money back guarantee, if you're made and manufactured in the US, for example, if you're vegan friendly, if you offer 24/7 support, whatever it means, whatever you guys do, put it in that bar. We then have a nice bit of social proof. We just pulled those reviews up. We have a very informative but also benefit driven headline with those bullet points underneath. We now have a nice call to action, which wasn't anywhere near above the fold on the old page. And you'll notice on the old page they use this big image above the fold, which lots of people do, and it's like a white image with white text. It's too busy, you can't read the text, and it's just confusing. We've even managed to get some bestsellers above the fold, and it's going to dramatically increase the amount of people clicking through to the product pages and pushing people further down the funnel on this client's store. We'd love to do this for you. There's a link in every single description. Click it, book in a free discovery call with me or my team, and I'll see you in the very next video.